Something's broken. What did you do, Lena?
What'd you do, Lena?
That's why we can't have anything nice. How bad is it? No way. Yeah. It's cracked?
Yeah, we cracked on.
You gotta be kidding me. Pretty sure that's gonna get twisted out for the rest of the event. Kendall, make sure I understand this right. We gonna build a trans down here and throw it in?
Probably.
So we're gonna get a case?
We're gonna try to.
How fast are you gonna build this transmission? All in all, out and in.
3 hours.
3 hours? Out and in.
3.5 maybe.
I'll give it hour 45.
How long do you think it'll take for them to take the transmission out and put it in? Like, do it all. Eli will be back in like probably an hour.
I'd say 3 hours.
See, most people would say that Kendall's got the hard job doing all the work. Yeah. But in all reality, I got to supervise. And that's really the most difficult part of this job. Yeah, I think so. About 3.5 minutes.
How long?
Come back in 4 hours.
4 hours? 2 hours and 35 minutes. What do you think?
I think they can do it in an hour and a half.
Hour and a half?
Yep.
Okay, we'll see.
It's nice when your car already comes on a lift. Second and third, it twisted, popped up. You can see where it broke. It broke from right here all the way up and across.
Taking it out and putting it in.
I don't know.
What do you think?
Solid hour and a half with Kendall, yeah.
I don't know if you've seen me power lift that thing. Kendall power lifted out and then I carried it over here.
I seen you.
It's out. Now we're waiting on the other case to come in.
Ew.
Two balls. There's usually 4, but we only run 2 to let it shift a little bit harder.
But they've got to be in the right spot.
They got to be in the right spot. Here we go.
Affects your central nervous system.
Say that one more time.
Always stack it how it goes.
Okay.
Then you get it right every time.
That's a lot of parts.
Now you put it back together. This is the new one or the old one?
This old one.
Well, technically it's all new parts, just the old case.
Now don't let them lie to you. I did all the work. Okay?
I believe that.
Yeah, there's a good pan on that.
Be nice to that pan, dude.
So far from taking it out and him taking parts apart,
Oh, yeah.
it's been 45 minutes.
Go ahead. Yep.
How do you know what order they go?
You
It's always go steel, and then fiber, steel, fiber, steel, fiber.
Okay.
I mean, you do know, but you don't. Like, there ain't a... Once you run it, it has to be in that order.
It don't have to. It has to be steel, fiber, all around. And there's a certain way that the steels go in. The fibers can go on top, no matter what. But there's a certain way the steels go in.
Hey, I helped too.
Yeah.
I got a headlight too. Oh God.
But we did.
Chop a hoe. I'm gonna chop your hoe.
Hey, did you put the weight?
The bent one, I put it back in on the bottom.
Right. Yeah. Go better, babe.
How many Ugga Duggas?
This is actually.
That's
too tight.
Click. Click. Click.
How many pounds is that?
Click. About enough. Click. Click.
You don't put those in with the impact?
Click.
Put them in with the impact.
It was on one.
You're supposed to
make it any
put them
better.
in like a Walmart fucking oil filter.
You do this, it's way cooler.
Turbo 400 won't shift unless you have vacuum, unless you put a manual valve body in it.
There you go. Hour and 48 minutes. Tore the old one down. Tore this one down. Took the guts out of the old one. Put it in the new one. We're ready to go. Old one. That's his handiwork. That's custom. You see, some people pay extra for that.
But we do it for free. No way, it just costs me a lot of money.
Not so much money this time, just time.
No, just time.
Yeah.
Transmission fluid.
And money.
A lot of it.
A lot of money.
Let's go party.
I'm down. You guys can't watch this.
Y'all look like brothers that shouldn't be related.
You like about to get this thing whipped or what?
I don't know, man.
No wonder it took us so long to build this on this last night.
A little bit of case material. That's supposed to bring your thinking back sometimes.
That foiler's about to really cook up.
Yeah. Hey, look at that.
Come on. It's got to go in there sideways.
There you go.
Balancing with my head. I mean, they're started. I got this. Get the top bolt right up there.
Don't forget about Hollywood.
Yeah. Over there, he's got the hardest task on his rig. Dude's working way harder than you. Dude's working way harder than you, having to add some coolant to his fucking. Got the real work going.
You power lifted up there, didn't you?
Oh, he manhandled that motherfucker. Yep.
Slide it forward a little. Okay, come back.
Split on.
Okay, there we go. There you're in.
Woo!
It's in.
You know, some people call me dedicated.
Some call you a space cowboy.
Man, we was just testing the truck, man.
Some call him Hollywood. Oh, Hollywood. Brian, go away.
Take that piece of shit out of here while it's still running. Dakota's editing has actually gotten quite a bit better if you look from where he started. Just like a regular dude on a computer, you know.
I don't know how to edit.
No, he didn't either. And then he just did it, you know.
Tell him to go forward just a little bit on the shifter.
He said go forward just a little bit on the shifter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got everything stabbed back in. He's going to start it up. We're going to top the fluid off and see what it does. I can't believe he rebuilt that at camp. Kendall's a beast.
Yeah, your line dump.
Hey, there is good news.
Who's got a first aid kit?
What do you do?
Cut himself?
I do.
Yeah. You'll have it.
He's good to go. A little alcohol for the wound. Not on the finger, but he's good to go. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's magnificent.
It looks good. I can never tell.
All I use is Dollar General shampoo, and it just...
I think that's where I need.
Yeah, Dollar General's the trick. Dollar General shampoo, and
That's what I need.
it's beautiful. Kendall got us these beautiful wigs. He's making me wear it, which if he's going to shove a transmission in, least I can do is wear his wig. He's got reverse. He's got gears. I'm Dakota. You can call me slow motion. This here's Hollywood. This here's Hollywood.
I'm not slow motion. Don't call me slow motion. They call me fast motion. Like a rabbit.